in 2021. Here's Hallilan puisto, and the address again.
Pehkusuonkatu 21.
Pehkusuonkatu 21. It's building 17 in Stekisei, but we don't have to mention it because they are actually separate buildings.
Yeah.
They probably planned to build also building 19, but it was not realized.
Yeah.
Capacity is 4 persons or 325 grams. And it was also built in 1990, turned 30 years old last year, 2020. And the serial number is H66671. And it looks like all the buttons here have been changed to spare parts.
Yeah.
Like this, in the early 2000s maybe.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2022. I love the smell here.
Same here.
And this is in Hallila, close to Hervanta, the biggest suburb of Tampere, and Pirkanmaan, Finland.
Yeah.
You can press on the way down. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. And please also watch the building 17.
That's